Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your room when you're depressed, or even where to start. The objective of this is not to get your room to be perfect and spotless. It is just to give you some energy back, give you some life back, make you feel better about yourself. So we're not aiming for perfection, we're just aiming to get the room clean or livable. Okay, so I had some clothes. I had a whole bunch of clothes in this corner. Like, this whole thing was covered. I just went and put everything into the washer. And then I put away a load of clothes. Still have a whole lot more laundry right there. But just start with the small little clothes. Put that away. And then make your bed. No, it's not perfect, but it's better. And that's all we're aiming for, is better. Okay, in my case, I have 3 beds in my room, 2 for my two preschoolers, and then 1 for me and baby. And so I'm gonna go ahead and clear these off as well, and just try to make these look a little bit better. So their beds are now cleared off. I put their blankets on top of all the rest of the dirty clothes. Those need to get washed, and I will probably wash those today. I already have 1 load in the washer, and I'm gonna wash the blankets. Blankets are so easy. If you're depressed and you need something, and you know you need to wash something, aim for the easy stuff like towels or blankets. That will make you feel so much better. But next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and pick up all the toys off the floor. Just get a bucket. I have a laundry basket that I'm going to go ahead, just pick up all of the toys off the floor, and then I'm going to take all those toys into the little play area. Alright, now that all the toys are taken out of the room, you're going to get yourself a trash bag. I know. You're going to get yourself a trash bag and just start throwing stuff away, because most of the stuff in my room is trash, honestly. So yeah, I'm just go through, pick up everything that belongs in the garbage, and I'm just going to put it there. And anything that doesn't, I'm just going to quickly pick it up and put it into another basket, or if I know exactly where it goes, I'm just going to put it away. Okay, once I've gotten most of the big stuff off the floor, I'm just going to take my broom and I'm going to sweep all this other stuff out of my room, and then I'm going to put it into the trash bag. Alright, now that everything is swept up, no, gotta get that. Now that the floor looks okay, now I just need to go through and find a spot for some of this stuff. Alright. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better. Alright, bye guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.